Good morning.
Good morning.
So this morning, Kahlil and I are making...
I'm not Kahlil, I'm the Muffin Man.
Excuse me. The Muffin Man and I are making... What are we making, baby?
Bunny Pancakes.
Bunny Pancakes in the spirit of Easter. So this morning we are gonna make the bunny pancakes. We're gonna make some eggs and we're gonna make some bacon. So what you'll need, if you couldn't tell from the picture, is obviously pancake mix, some blueberries, some strawberries, some cheese for the whiskers, and then some bananas. I already cut up everything off camera, so really all we have left to do is make the pancakes. For a little bit of pancake
I want to do it.
Okay, just a little bit. Baby, that's enough. Good job. Okay.
Now I want to spoil it.
Well, we gotta put some water in it first. I'll put some water in it. I'll be right back. Hang on, just stay right there. I gotta put some water in it.
Okay, that's enough. Now I gotta stir it.
You stirring it up?
Yep.
So I figured this was just a cute little activity for Easter. Let me know in the comments what you guys do for Easter, if you have any traditions, because I'm always looking for different ideas to do with Kahlil or just for myself.
Mom?
Turn the stove on.
Yeah.
You want to spray the spray?
Yeah.
While we're waiting for the pan to get hot, we can crack the eggs.
Yeah. Let's crack the eggs.
The last time he cracked the eggs, it was terrible.
Ah!
Yes, we washed our hands before starting. Crack and then pull it open. Good. I mean, minimum shells. Okay, The disrespect. Boy, where you gonna wipe it on me? Let's try it again. Crack and pull it. Bro, come on. You know what? Take that. Okay, let me do this part. He needs more practice, guys. Let me do it. Woo, look how easy that was.
Okay, I got it.
Just one crack and open.
Oh, I did it.
Good job. Stir the eggs up. I think our pancakes are ready to be flipped.
Yeah, I want to do it.
Okay, hang on. So mommy will do the first one and you can do the next one. Okay? So look, you hold the pan like this, and with your spatula, you get up underneath and then flip. You think you can handle that? Okay, here. Hold right here. And hold this. And you're gonna put it underneath the pancake. Underneath. Wait. Mommy's gonna help you. Underneath. And flip. Good job! You did it, don't touch. I make my bacon in the oven now. I just put it in on broil because I refuse to get popped making bacon. Like, those days are over, okay?
Bruh.
So I will say the thing about making it in the oven on broil is it cooks very fast. So you really have to just watch it, otherwise you'll burn it. It's getting a little smoky. Hold this right here. Here's this. Okay, get up underneath. And flip. Good job. Ouch! So right now I'm just cutting the smaller pancakes just to make them a little bit more round.
Ah, it's a snake.
Let's make our bunny pancake. So we have the face, we have the little mouth. Okay, let's put the nose.
Yeah.
The nose
That's
is
the bottom.
Yeah, the nose is the strawberry.
Yep.
His nose right here.
There we go.
Here we go. And then we gotta put his eyes. His eyes was a banana. You gotta use the blueberries. Hang on, let me cut it. Okay, here, put this one here. Put that one right there. This one. Mm-hmm. Good job. His ears, we use bananas, right?
Yeah.
So, hang on, don't just grab them. Like this.
What the? I don't touch it.
Baby, you broke his ear.
Oh,
You gotta be careful. It's okay, it's okay. All right, and now we have to add his teeth, which go at the bottom like that.
Whiskers that go right here.
I think his whiskers go away.
Come on, Mom. You break it.
You just broke his ear. What are you talking about?
I broke it. Daddy.
Just in time. We just finished.
Hey.
You like it?
What's on it? Whiskers.
Cheese.
That's disgusting.
Okay, let's look. Yeah, good job.
Hello, I'm a bunny.
If you guys enjoyed this combo, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Happy Easter. Thank you so much for watching, and I will call you later. Toodles.
Subscribe. Oh, you see my Muffin Man?
You the Muffin Man?
Yeah. Look at me. I got my pocket.
Yeah, that's called an apron.
Yeah.
Boy, what you doing?